For the DLSU Lady Spikers, led by, of course, Angel Canino. Shavana Lapwood did not play in their last game versus UP, that round number 1 match. The Fighting Maroons, as we take a look at their starters, led by Nina Itang, best middle blocker here in the UAAP. And we are underway. This is a chance ball right away for DLSU. Nunag loves these. And Reterta, what a way to start things off. Jazz will set from the opposite side, Gajero. Back with Laput. Capistrano, secondary setter, Gajero. And that is still in play. Chance ball UP. Pump set. Nosea from the other side. That is inside. And we turn it over now to Sophie Espiritu. Sophie?
Sunsilk with Amino Silk Complex from 200% smoother hair. Sway it with Sunsilk. Back to you, Jaime and Maggie.
Here's the thing, Sophie. Wow! Before that, I forgot my train of thought.
Really a good setup for Angel Canino, spiking that hard cross.
Spike of the set brought to you by Dunkin' Pasalubong ng Bayan. Beast mode na si Shev. Sabi baka may final version pa. I can't imagine na may isa pang version ni Shavana Laput na mas malakas pa.
And she's clearly not just focusing on the skill itself. She wants to be a leader. And that's what we're talking about.
So we are tied at 4. Nilay Del Castillo gets on the board for her first point. Let's add Cheska Ramos back to the group chat. Stability.
Yes.
For Reterta.
The steadiness.
Gajero elevates, denied.
Coach Ramil all this time.
And we see that with an undefeated season. Back here in set number 1, Itang has been playing really well. That's Itang's 3rd point here.
Targeting that soft touches because we know that LaSalle has really a kind of defense na palayo, knowing that.
So another deadlock at 10. This is our 8th or 9th deadlock in set number 1. Regalo. Canino says thank you.
It's a perfect gift to be established if they want to na magana yung attack nila.
Mga Limutan going quick. Amy Provito says no thank you. The Steve defensive play of the set is brought to you by Elastosil, Selyado, ang bubong, anumang panahon. A 3-0 run this time for DLSU, timeout for UP. That's Olango.
Olango hitting that deep cross. Take a look at that. Setting was perfect, pass was perfect. Kitang-kita mo na iniwas na kay Shavana hitting that crosscourt.
The confidence from the past 2 games. Nunag, Canino, slowed down by the blockers. Nosea! Get that out of here, says Angel Canino.
Angel Canino is in front. The block is on press. It's penetrated inside the court, so they have nowhere to go. Seasoned na pagdating sa blockers, knowing Coach Ramil.
Jazz 1-2 play. That is beautiful for mga Limutan.
I expect because they have Nina Itang in front.
They tried to cover the slide.
I hope it translates.
Jazz set up, Gajero nakabuelo. But the blockers have been tight here for DLSU.
Look at that approach, trying to speed up also her attacks. But then nakabantay talaga yun.
Gajero dug by De Leon. Back row again, Canino rolls it and it drops for set point.
But again, the veteran Angel Canino just playing around with her variation, making the defense of...
They're making the out-of-system plays look like it's in-system.
Yeah.
So it still looks organized.
Yeah.
Gajero slowed down by the block. Nunag a chance to counter. Laput. Great defense there by Olango. Chance for DLSU. Is this it? Reterta drop. Oh, beauty.
We can see really the...
UST QPAV, Jaime Escalon with Maggie Mangulabnan. Jazz, this will be a set up for Gajero. No blockers there. But Canino puts it up. Laput off the block. Point of Shavana Laput. Jazz will go to the opposite side. Guerrero had to adjust. Laput will push, and that's back-to-back points.
That's a zone 5.
Hyundai move of the set. Experience more in every mile. Chev Laput making up for lost time, of course. She did not play. Steady first pass. Canino!
A perfect volleyball right there. Angel Canino just hammering it down with the combination play.
Cuneta has been constantly reminding the girls, wag na tayo mag-hold back, wag na tayo matakot. And coming into the set, Coach Fabio continues to push the same mindset. This is our Sunsilk Courtside Report. Try the new Sunsilk with Amino Silk Complex for up to 200% smoother hair. Sway it with Sunsilk. Now back to you, Jaime and Match.
You really missed the... Baklay now serving. Angel trying to make do. And she finds a way. I think Itang now is in the front row as well, which is good news for UP. Canino.
Canino has been playing so well.
In the front row, she has 4 points, majority of those from slide attacks.
Yes.
Reterta sent back. De Leon will play setter here. Chance for UP. Jazz going to the open. Guerrero neutralized. Counter attack. Laput from the back. Noceja. And Guerrero. Itang. Look at her go. Wow. Quick attack.
Perfect volleyball there, Jaime. Good pass, good setup.
11 serving 8 Nunag. Full front line. And a service ace. Let's see if they get a good first ball. Jazz. They try for Guerrero. Nunag takes a look. Finds Reterta. Coverage by Canino. To the other side, Laput. Covered at the net. Good blockings for UP. Canino goes long. Jazz will set. Guerrero elevates. That is denied. Jazz now full front line with Olango at the back as an option. Nunag from the middle. Laput. Unstoppable play.
The combination plays. Eshan has been setting up really good here in combination plays.
Guerrero now at the right pin. Laput covers. Canino elevates and detonates.
That was above the blockers for Angel Canino.
Blockers have been really tight for DLSU, Maggie.
Yes, aral na aral ng DLSU yung spikes ng UP here.
And that will be 9-0 start. Looking for their 10th win here. Ali will push. Back row Guerrero. Nunag will set to the opposite side for Laput, who finds an open spot.
But she still choose to spike long to make a confusion in their defense.
That is inside for Baklay. So the middle blockers continue. Jazz slide. That has been the go-to play. The money maker here. Sir Edwin Reyes of DLSU also in attendance. Nunag tried the 1-2 play. High set Reterta. Ginawa ng paraan.
Doing well for DLSU.
Ali back row. That one dug. Laput exploding. And UP. What a serve for Reterta. Set point. DLSU.
She just tried to put the ball onto the other side. Oh.
And that will be a free point for DLSU. Especially lead in that set number 2. So we welcome you to set number 3 here in USTQ PAV. Back row, Canino. Ali naiangat. Guerrero. Straight to Angel. Kneeling set for Provido. Long exchange. Gajero na naman. Beterta was right there. And Angel Canino with a mid-air switch-up.
But you know, it's just really a miscommunication on that side. Because, oh well, it's Angel Canino spiking that ball again with another variation. Pero it's a good
New
indication.
setter for UP, that's Julia De Leon seeing action for the first time. Shana Nunag, back set. What a set. Perfection.
A perfect setup.
Ball reception, minimize errors, and more variety in sets to break through De La Salle's blockers, telling them to play intelligent. This is our Sunsilk courtside report. Try the new Sunsilk with Amino Silk Complex for up to 200% smoother hair. Sway it with Sunsilk. Now back to you, Jaime and Maggie.
Combination play for Shavana Lapot works. But
With Sunsilk. Back to you, Jaime and Maggie.
now the first two lines of Sophie's report explains why Shana Nunag is a great player. Because she plays like a veteran but just taking everything in. As UP now locking down defensively. 6 serving 4 here with Lapot. Set up to Olango. Block breaking move for Kian Olango. Shana away from the net. Canino.
Just really variating her spike.
Sharp serve for Lilay. Slide attack for Baklay.
Another one works for UP. Another slide attack there.
Nunag. Straight to Provido. There's a battle at the net. And Amy showcasing her leaping abilities there. De Leon back to the slide. Good drop for
Good.
Itang. So the slide attack, her 7 points on 6 attacks. Not the best first pass. Chance given to LaSalle. Lapot. And a great block for UP. Just trailing by 1 now. And they tie it up at 11.
Abot na lang talaga ni Ashana yung bola sa kamay nila.
2-point lead for LaSalle. Olango. Reflexes by Nunag. And it is still good. Thanks to Ali. It's a bit tight. Capistrano was there. Olango will attack. And Olango with a put away. Here's the video challenge. No antenna touch.
For UP and the LSU.
Nunag sending it to Lapot. Automatic.
That was a perfect side out for the side of LaSalle.
They have to keep it precise. Canino at the service line with 13 points.
Good pass.
Slide attack.
Oh, a perfect volleyball there coming from a good pass by Capistrano.
Set number 3, UP trying to steal a set. The LSU clinging to a 2-point lead. De Leon. Cajero. That is her move of choice. UP down by 1. That's inside, and we are at a deadlock. Capistrano will set up Cajero. That drops inside.
An out of system for Cajero.
Despite being a young team, that team is also full of surprises.
That was a good one.
That was challenge from UP.
They will replay the point. Provido now serving. Medyo nanlamig. As the challenge was pretty long there. 21 serving 19. Sharp serve for Lapot. Put down easily for Lilay Del Castillo now with 8 points. De Leon will set. Ali from the right pin.
That was a good response to the timeout. Oh.
2 away for Angel Canino. Service ace for match point. De Leon bumps it to Ali out of system. And the DLSU Lady Spikers remain undefeated here in season 88.